What?
A down one, a down. Break.
What broke?
Break a down.
Playing with a Smurf?
A down, down.
What color is his hat?
Brown.
Well, it's kind of brown. It's yellow.
Nini.
Yeah, yellow. What color is the bird?
Black.
No. What color is this?
Big.
Red.
Big. Big.
You're wrong.
Big.
Fail.
Big. Big.
Oh, is it almost Christmas? Santa. It is. Santa's gonna come soon. And then we'll meet baby Henry. Yeah, we're gonna have to.
No.
Maybe Santa bring you choo-choos.
No.
Alright, you get no choo-choos then.
No.
You're too loud for choo-choos.
No.
Can you sing something?
No.
What about Blue's Clues?
Glue.
Blue's Clues, you can do anything
Yeah,
that you want to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think, think, think. Because when we use our minds, something about Blue's Clues, we can do anything that we want to do. Very good.
Oh, break.
It's not on right now.
A break.
It broke.
Oh.
All right, say bye-bye. Oh my goodness, you're too close to me.
Help.
Okay, all right.